Hello, good morning students. Today we start our chapter number 3 and we start our study from definition of the atom. Now what is atom? As the name indicate, atom means small. Atom is the smallest particle. Smallest particle of an element which may or may not exist. Atom is the smallest particle. It means it cannot be divided further according to the Dalton atomic theory, but atom is the divisible. Atom can divide further, and it may or may not exist freely. What do you mean by this? Just like H2, this is not an atom, it is a molecule. What is the stable form of a molecule of hydrogen? H. This is a atom. Just like oxygen, this is a molecule. What is a atom of oxygen? O. This atom of hydrogen and oxygen is unstable. They cannot exist as. So they are not exist freely, but H2O2 exists, but these are the molecule. What are the units in which size of the atom is measured? Just like in nanometer and picometers. These are the small units. 1 nanometer means 10 raised to power minus 9 meter, or 1 picometer means 10 raised to power minus 12 meters. Some of the atoms that are exist freely, just like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. The atoms of these gas exist freely because these are stable, their octet are complete. After this, we will study about the molecule. Atom is the smallest particle of an element, and molecule is the smallest particle of a compound. Molecule is the smallest particle of a compound which exists freely. For example, just like water, it is a molecule of water. Carbon dioxide, it is a molecule of carbon dioxide. Ammonia, these are the molecules. Molecules are of the three type of molecules. Molecules are of the three type, just like first is the homoatomic molecule. Homoatomic molecule. Homoatomic means the molecule which is made up of the same kind of atom. Just like example is hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, etc. These are the homoatomic. Now second type is the heteroatomic. Hetero means different. A molecule is made up of different atom. Just like for example carbon dioxide. This molecule is made up of carbon and oxygen. Just like water, made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen, ammonia. This is made up of nitrogen and hydrogen, etc. These are the heteroatomic molecule. Third kind of molecule, that is polyatomic molecule. Polyatomic molecule. Poly means that is made up of many atom. Poly means many. That is made up of many atoms. For example, just like phosphorus is made up of P4 molecule. That is the 4. It is made up of the 4 molecules. Single molecule is made up of the 4 atoms. And sulfur, it is made up of the 8 atoms. Ozone, it is made up of the 3 atoms. This is the type of the molecules in this chapter we study. After this, we will study our next topic, that is the atomicity. That is atomicity. Atomicity. What do you mean by atomicity? Atomicity means number of atom present in a molecule. This is called atomicity. For example, monoatomic molecules, that is made up of only one atom, just like helium, neon, argon, krypton. These are monoatomic. Diatomic, that is made up of molecule that is made up of the 2 atoms, just like H2 and 2O2. What is the atomicity here? 1. What is the atomicity of hydrogen? 2. What is the atomicity of nitrogen? That is 2. What is the atomicity of oxygen? That is 2. Polyatomic molecule, example, just like P4 phosphorus, that is atomicity is 4. And sulfur acid, its atomicity is 8. Ozone O3, its atomicity is the 3. This is all about atomicity. These are the 3 topics that we complete today. Okay, and you will continue with the same topics and revise and make notes. In the next lecture, we will discuss about atomic and molecular mass. Thank you. Have a nice day.